and in one particular day itself he has generated almost 2,10,000. Here you can see. Hey, what is up guys, this is Ronald here from EcomGain. Welcome to another case study video where one of our clients generated 18 lakhs in just 1 month. So this is the highest ever generated from any of our client. So I will just log in into the seller account. I'll show you the business reports and all. So as we can see, we are in Seller Central. I'll just quickly log in. So there are several seller accounts that we manage. So I'll just select that particular client's account and I'll show you the results. So the sales was so good, he almost ran out of stock. So I'll just show you into the business reports. So I'll select the custom range. So from July he started selling actually. July 1 to July 31st. So July 1 to July 31st, you can see he has almost generated 4 lakhs, 3 lakhs 61,000, and his profit margin is around 28% actually. So which is a good margin. And then the sales started to increase. So if we go into the August month, August 1st to August 31st. So as you can see, 18 lakhs 39,000. So which is very good actually. You can see here how units has been sold, and in one particular day itself he has generated almost 2,10,000. Here you can see on August 14th, 2023 of course. So 77 units sold, generated 2,10,000 with a profit margin of 28%, which is very good. And you can see the average sales item here on August. So the sales was getting so much good. What we suggested to prevent from running out of stock, we told him to pause PPC campaign and increase the selling price. So that way we can minimize the order and we can sell the order until next batch comes. So but still the product was running so good. And anyhow, you guys might heard of Q4, which is coming from October. So in Q4 actually the sales will be very high. So initially also, before starting Q4 also, the sales will be very well on e-commerce. And in Q4, absolutely, the maximum sales which we will get. So if you are existing sellers who are thinking to start, you have to, this is the best time actually to get started on e-commerce. And if you are already selling, you have to make sure every product are in stock before Q4. Q4 means fourth quarter, October, November, December, and also actually till late January. So the sales will be very high. And even before starting Q4 only, so as you can see in August, September, the sales will be very high. So we have to make sure our product is in stock so that we can capitalize on that. And also in Q4, the selling price also, overall all competitors sells their product at a higher price. So the margin will be very high. So he has already, made this product as an asset. So because the product which he is selling, it is not like a seasonal product. It is a product which sells throughout the year. So it has gained almost more than 50 reviews now. So it has gained more than 15 reviews now. So he has to make sure the product is in stock. So if we see like entire from July 1st to, so today is September 25th. If you click on apply, so here you can see 23 lakhs, almost 24 lakhs actually, 99,000, 23 lakh 99,000. So from July 1st, you can see here how the sales has been going on. And right now he's running out of stock. He has ordered his second batch. So when the product comes in, so again the product will be live. So the results you can see here, which is actually very good. And like I said earlier, average sales per order item you can see here 1,446, which means the selling price is way good. which means the selling price is very good, and also profit margin is also very good. Obviously the product which will be selling at a higher price, the margin also will be very good. So that you have to make sure as a beginner while selecting a product. So that's it for this particular case study, guys. And if you are interested in done for you service, in done for you service, basically we will find your product, and we will find the suppliers for your product. We will do the A plus listing and all. So if you are interested in that, if you are and if you are a complete beginner, if you want a one-on-one mentorship, so everything is in my description actually. You can check it out, and also you can check my YouTube videos. So I have created several playlists on Amazon FBA, legal and taxation, entrepreneurship mindset videos. So I'll be consistently uploading on my YouTube channel. You can follow my social media as well. Check out my application on Play Store as well as Apple Store, where you can learn for free. So all those links are in my description. So that's it for this particular video, guys. See you in the next video.